What is up, everybody? Sorry it's been so long since I made a video. There's a lot going on. Just bought this awesome house with this awesome garage. CRX has been sitting. Everything is torn apart inside here. As you can see, we're going through doing some rewiring and everything. I had to do all this wiring up front here. Basically, long story short, I made a mistake when I was putting in my S2000 cluster. Wired it up wrong, fried something out. It opened up to be a whole can of worms. So me and my buddy David Ware are going through that very slowly. I'll update you guys as that comes. As of right now, I have one of my homies, Alex. As you guys probably remember him, he's the one that welded up the chassis wing on the CRX. He's out here helping me out again. We're currently working on getting this roll bar half cage thing in so I can be a little bit more safe and all that. So I'll keep you updated as the project is going on. Appreciate you guys coming back to the channel. We did cut out some little feet. You can't really see them here. Let's see. So we cut out some feet out of steel here. They're probably about 1/4 inch or so. We're gonna weld these to the bottom of the cage to make sure that this cage is removable, because I don't want to weld this all the way in the car. I want to be able to take it out. So we're gonna set these guys in here. Those are the pieces that we're actually welding in and getting ready to, we made some little pieces. Oh, there we go. Alex got some light for us. So we got these little feet here set underneath the cage. What Alex is gonna do is he's gonna weld right under here, because as you can see, my finger kind of goes under. So we got a little bit of a 1/4 inch gap here that we're gonna try to fill, or you know, trim this down just a little bit so we get that as flat as possible on that foot.
She ain't going nowhere.
What'd you say?
She ain't going nowhere.
Oh, good. Got some good tacks on in there. That was just one on there. We're just, like I said, we're just tacking these feet in so we can pull them out and get them welded up all the way. What you thinking?
We're good.
All right, bet. All right, so yeah, as you all just saw, we got the feet, 3 of the feet welded on.
Hell yeah.
So the 4th foot we're gonna weld on with the outside of the car. Those 3, we definitely just needed to make sure that they were in the right position. We already know exactly where the 4th foot needs to go, but like I said, Alex has like a 1/4 inch gap that we need to fill, or create like little pie cuts out of the steel in order to slide those in and get that all welded up smooth, so that this is gonna be like really safe. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go ahead and pull the cage out of the car. We're gonna pull it outside and we're gonna finish up the welds outside, so we don't have to risk you know, burning any of the carpet or any of the plastic or anything like that. So let's get that cage pulled out. All right, so getting this cage out is pretty easy so far. The way we developed it, looks like it'll just slide forward like so. Alex got his ground still stuck back there. There we go, got that good guy off. We're gonna have to come over that plastic just a little bit on your side, Alex. She looks like she's caught just a tad. There we go. All right, so we just laying her forward like this and kind of pick her up. Okay. And then she'll cut. Oh shit, we're losing her on my side.
It's just a tap, it's fine.
Okay. She's stuck on that the handle on the turn signal. Okay. And she comes out just like that. I have to wait for Alex to get over here to help me out. But yeah, she pulls out real easy. Now we just got to finish up these welds on these guys, make sure everything's sitting solid, and we'll be good to go. We got the cage out of the car. Alex has the generator and the welder fired up. It's getting ready to get this all set up, get these welds all done.
I told you I could feel that.
Alex over here is a beast. I mean, obviously he's not quite, you know, done.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. What you think, Phoenix? Does some good feels, huh, boy? Yeah.
Alright, so we got Kyle over here, Flag the Barber, welding up.
I'm a welder.
Oh yeah, laying them dimes. How we looking?
Laying some beads, boy.
Hell
Beads.
yeah. Hell yeah.
All right, everybody, we are back. Sorry I didn't show you everything, but Alex and I got the feet welded, and we got the cage in the car. It actually fits with the feet. So we got a couple more things to do to this guy. We're gonna drill some holes. We're gonna drill some holes in the feet, send that all the way through the body. Alex and I have 4 more feet cut out of the steel. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld those plates to the back side of the car. Alex is gonna weld some bolts, or some nuts, sorry, to the feet. That way we don't have to drop the tank every time we pull the cage out, because I want the cage to be removable. You never know. I always update things inside of this car, and I always do all kinds of things. So I wanted the cage to be removable, which was a big thing for us. So as of today, we're done. We'll try again next weekend, hopefully, as long as my kid doesn't come. That's the other big thing that I have going on in my life as well, as my wife is pregnant. That kid's going to be here any day. So wild stuff going on, you know, really big adult things going on. But as of for today, we got the cage in and out of the car. We got the feet welded on. I got to lay down some welds, first welds in like 13 years. That's awesome. Feeling great about them. But yeah, we'll catch you guys next weekend. I'll resume the video, and we'll catch you then.